This is Zygote Cyber, born in the code. In today's threat update, Trend Micro has identified a cyber espionage group, Earthlamia, actively targeting organizations in Brazil, India, and Southeast Asia since 2023. The group exploits web application vulnerabilities, including SQL injection flaws, to gain unauthorized access to systems. Earthlamia employs a range of tools and techniques for lateral movement and data exfiltration. Notably, they use custom-developed malware like PULSEPACK and BypassBoss to evade detection. Their operations have evolved over time, shifting focus from financial services to logistics, online retail, IT companies, universities, and government organizations. The group's tactics include exploiting known vulnerabilities in public-facing servers, deploying web shells, creating administrative user accounts, and using tools like Certutil.x and PowerShell for downloading additional payloads. They also utilize credential dumping techniques and clean event logs to cover their tracks. This campaign underscores the importance of timely patching, vigilant monitoring, and robust security measures to defend against sophisticated threat actors. Stay vigilant. This is Zygote Cyber, watching in the shadows. Follow for daily intelligence drops.